Hey y'all, the Lumpinder here. Welcome to part 2 of my Gokaiger review stuff. So here I just got every key I got. I got some variants, or not some variants, some duplicates, I should say. I got 3 Tricera Rangers, or whatever you call them, for Mighty Morphin. I got 2 Giakas, Ace, and that's it. Anyways, let's get right into the sounds here. It's already on, perfect. Because it took me maybe about a minute afterwards. I decided to record this right now. I don't need you guys anymore. I just wanted to show you for visual appeal. I'm going to throw you, and I'm going to throw you. Yeah. And you know why I can throw them? Because I bought them with my money. Here's, Go... I'm just going to say this right now. I don't know the names of Sentai at all. I'm horrible at that. But here's the first one. The first Sentai. Mine is on some unfortunate conditions when key mode. You see someone got a Sharpie to it. A couple of them have Sharpie. My third Mighty Morphin Blue has Sharpie all over it. So yeah, that's some unfortunate conditions. But I just have to live with it because I'm not trying to. I don't know if I can even take off these stickers. Oh, wait. Bigger more for here. Or changer. Oh, wait. Go on. No. I just go red. I'm not gonna show the green. Jack. I'm gonna call it Jack because all the old Sentai teams have the same exact key piece. Oh, I didn't show them off, did I? Okay, hold up. Alright, I'm already getting ahead of myself. There's that. Can I get it open? I wish these flipped. If these had flipped from the get-go, this would have been an awesome line. This one's much better, in much better condition. Come on. You can't tell, but it's all their different shapes. Here you got Sun Vulcan, I believe. His chest pieces are very good. Let me just show blue so you know what it looks like. It's that. I think his inside's good. Oh, this is a Gashapon one. Whoever I bought this from, they decided to glue their Gashapon heads on with like the glue used, like the stick glue used in elementary, and it did not work. Hey, I'm sorry to say it, but it did not work. I don't know if they had a problem with them falling out, but this is not working very well. The inside's a lot better than the front, but these stickers suck anyways. You'll see it with the next key I do. There's Sun Vulcan. I only know Sun Vulcan because it's, I got it with my Core Eater stuff. Oh, are you off? That. The next one here is Bioman, again with the glue. On this one, at least the whole sticker's here, but it's not staying on very well. Really not liking the focus today. This one's actually really loose, isn't it? Okay, I can't get it, but I don't know, Bioman. This is Bioman. I know like a little bit. There's whatever you want to call that. That sucked. Hold up. Bioman! Bioman! That really hurt my throat. Next, you got the classic whatever you want to call it. Zoo Ranger Mighty Morphin. This is the one that's in the best condition. Got the tribal coin there. Here's it. Great. Okay. Here's Ninja Storm. His chest piece is not in very good condition, but his inside looks really good. I didn't really look at these. I just checked to see if they were Sharpie or not, and that's about it. I don't know what that was. Hurricane, that's what it is, Hurricane. I know my team names, someone. You got Bokenger or Operation Overdrive. Yeah, I just listened to all the Power Rangers theme songs earlier today. Operation Overdrive sucked. Yeah, this. Oh no, this part looks like someone ripped this off and then tried to glue it back on. And they did it really well, but there's still you could still tell because of that. Other than that, this one's in really good condition. Yeah. And these three I already did in the last video, but I'm gonna do them anyways. Here's Gowanger. That's really nice. I haven't been able to find Gowanger online, nor do I really want to, but I do like their 10 After movie. You got that. Then here is Shinken Red. I think my favorite Sentai / Power Ranger design of all time, honestly. I really like this one, probably because just nostalgia, honestly. It's the first Power Ranger season I watched. Here is his insides. You got, this one's not in the best condition, but I can live with it. You got the Shiba clan, the Shiba house, whatever it's called. Then last but certainly not least, Gokai Red. Gokaiger is my favorite Sentai, I think. I know it's like, oh yeah, you only know the basics, but come on, it's Gokaiger, dude. This is awesome. Oh, there's that. And you got his insides. The nice pirate logo there. I don't know if anyone's know what is this who hasn't noticed it before. Yeah, it's the same. Anyways. And it has a third one. All the Gokaigers do. That's it. Only the Gokaigers team has different knobs. I wish I could demonstrate, but I don't have another Gokaiger key. But yeah, that's all of my Gokaiger stuff so far. Hopefully I can get more, but I'm not really in the market to get more. Oh, the lot also came with this, and let me go grab it real quick. The set came with a little Captain Marvelous and a little Luca, but they're different at the bottom. I don't know what's going on here, but this one's just straight hollow. It's squishy. This one's not really squishy at all. I don't know what the haps was with this, but yeah. So this was all my Sentai Gokaiger stuff. Just got it all today. Um, Bye.